Most people would let that car disappear into the night. But she wasn't driving just any Ferrari.
Because this Ferrari doesn't just outrun the future, it transforms into it.
Imagine if Ferrari decided to build not just the world's fastest car, but the world's fastest luxury home. What you're about to see isn't real. It's an AI vision of what Ferrari could create by the year 2035. At first glance, it barely looks like a motorhome. It feels more like a Formula One machine built for billionaires. Its razor-sharp body slices through the air with active aerodynamic panels that constantly reshape themselves.
Finished in signature Rosso red and exposed carbon fiber, every angle screams Ferrari performance.
Then something unbelievable happens. The entire cabin begins transforming while parked. Hydraulic sidewalls glide outward, turning a sleek machine into a spacious, double-story luxury suite. Hidden stairs rise automatically, leading to an incredible rooftop sky lounge above the cockpit. Inside, the cabin feels less like an RV and more like Ferrari's ultimate racing penthouse. Handcrafted carbon fiber, premium Italian leather, and glowing red ambient lighting surround every passenger. The driver's cockpit wraps around you like a Formula One car, complete with holographic driving displays. Artificial intelligence quietly manages navigation, climate, lighting, entertainment, and vehicle safety all at once. The kitchen disappears behind seamless panels until a simple voice command brings everything to life. The bedroom transforms into a private luxury suite, with panoramic glass overlooking the landscape. Even the bathroom feels like a five-star Italian spa, finished with futuristic materials and soft lighting. Solar glass across the roof captures energy all day, helping power the motorhome almost silently. As night falls, thousands of intelligent LEDs reshape the exterior into a glowing Ferrari masterpiece. Massive digital windows instantly switch from transparent glass to immersive entertainment displays. Every detail is designed to make travel feel like staying inside an exclusive private resort.
Wherever it arrives, crowds stop, cameras come out, and every head turns to watch it pass. This isn't simply transportation. It's Ferrari's vision of speed, luxury, and innovation living together. Remember, this entire machine is an AI-generated fictional concept, inspired by future possibilities. Would you actually live inside a Ferrari like this? Subscribe for the next Future Legends 2035 concept.